All right, Canva lovers. Today, we're diving into something that's about to level up your design game. Some of my favorite Canva apps I absolutely can't live without. If you haven't explored them yet, oh boy, are you in for a treat. Let's go make some Canva magic happen. This time, we'll take an image and do something different with it. We'll go to Apps and search for Colorize. It says it adds color to old black and white images, so we'll open it and choose a file. This is my image. Now you can see, there it is, colorized. Here it is from before. Now you can see the before and after. For this example, I'm going to use this image I got in Creative Fabrica. I want to use only the fox and delete all the rest. So how would I do that? While it's highlighted, I'm going to come up here to Edit, click on it, then go to Magic Grab and click on that. I'll shrink it a little. Nice. Now, you have two choices of ways to grab it. I'm going to use the click. I'll click on my fox. Now that it's highlighted, I'll click on the chair and tail. There. So we've chosen all the pieces I want. Now I'll click on the grab button. All right, look at that. Now you can see the whole image. Not only did the app create this new background without the fox, but it took everything I highlighted and put it on a layer all by itself. So if you were to look at it as far as layers go too, you'd also see there's the background and there's also the fox, now a separate object. So we could put new fox image on a mug, a t-shirt, or whatever we wanted. And the same thing for the new background. We could add something else here to make another new image. For example, by adding a Santa Claus or a happy family. I already have some pages open and I'll use this first page. Go to Apps, click on that, then go up here and type in Text Maker. Here it is and click on that. There are a lot of cool text presets already in here, so you can take your text for your design and come in here and use any of these instantly without having to set it up yourself from scratch. You can just do everything in here. Some of these are pro and some are free. What about this metallic one? We'll leave the text as is. You can change the way it's aligned, how far apart it's spaced, and more. You can change the letter spacing and the actual font. Say, for example, you like the metallic text, but want it in that font. Just choose your font, and then just type your text in here, and then you're good to go. There's a lot of changes you can make in here. Anything with a little purple dot means that it's already turned on in the design. There's other things you can change in here. For example, the angles. You can also customize your colors, shadows, and all of that. Let's try another one. Watch this. There are many possibilities. This is a really fun app to use with your designs without having to do a whole lot of extra work. So this is the Text Maker app. Have fun playing with this app. I'm going to open up another page. I'm going to change the background color to something a little more Halloween-y and enlarge this. Put it right there. All right, so I could erase this font. I could also take this image and fold it down and try to get it just right. In this case, I'd be pretty close, but I'm cutting off some of those flowers up here. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to click on Edit, then go to the Magic Studio area, then click on Grab Text. So I'm going to select the image, and this app will try to find the text in this particular image. It's done a pretty good job, but to get it all, I'm going to click on this, but I think it's about as good as it's going to get. Click on both text areas so it chooses all the letters. Now that it's all highlighted, let's click Grab. Give it a few seconds, and now the font has changed. Canva tried to match the first font, but we lost an L, and we lost our N in the process. This is easy to fix. There are a few different things we can do. Click the magic eraser and clean that up. I'm going to change the font. I'll add a L and a N. And now, there we go. And now I have changed it completely. So we have gone from this to a new font that we have changed. We've cleaned up some of this other stuff that was on here, and all within Canva. I have another app I want to try. So let's go back to apps and let's look for Animeify. First of all, we need a photo. Let's try a man this time. What about this guy? All right, so duplicate him and let's go to apps. Click on Animeify. Here are some examples of some things that have been done. Okay, so click on Open. Let's see what we get. We have a few credits left, so let's see if we can a better image. We'll keep that one for now. Let's duplicate him one more time. Let's see what we get. Okay, it's a little closer. So, you can kind of see how it goes. They got his shirt and his necklace in both. The hairstyle is much better. Now, let's talk about Canva's free mockup generator. If you're already designing with Canva, creating stunning mockups is just a few clicks away. First, launch Canva on your app or favorite web browser. On the homepage side panel, click Apps, and then choose Mockups to access the mockup maker. Next, select a mockup template. Remember, the ones with the crown are for the paid members. Canva offers a range of options, so pick the design that suits your product best. Upload your design. Refine your mockup. And then, download it or use it in your design. It's that simple and seamless. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.